Alright, this one's number 4 off the 7576 worksheet. Alright, so we're solving for W, but don't let all these letters freak you out. The goal here is still to, first thing we do is get rid of fractions. So our LCD will be WN. So I'm going to multiply WN by both sides. Most people didn't have any problem with that. It's the next step that seemed to confuse them. So then that's W minus N equals WNP or PNW or PWN or however you want to write those letters. Alright, so now what we got to do is we got to get all the W's on one side and all the not W's on the other side. So it doesn't matter which side, so I'm going to subtract W over here. Now we have WNP minus W. Now, mind you, the answer to this may look just a little different than how I worked it on the worksheet because there's like 4 different right answers to this. But as long as you understand the concept, you'll have it. So now all the W's are on one side and all the not W's are on the other. Now we're going to do what is my favorite trick in algebra. We're going to factor out the W. Once we factor out the W, we can just divide by the junk that's being multiplied by it. And we're done. So negative N over NP minus 1 equals W. And you could also have other right answers were things like N over 1 minus PN. There are other ones. I mean, there's a lot of different ways to write this exact same thing. But the key, let's go back over it. Let's go back up here. Declare our fractions. Then we got all the W's on one side, this time on the right, and all the not W's on the other, still on the left. And then here we just factored it, divided by the thing that was with it. Alright, let me know. Do you have any questions?